Chinese writing at the entrance of the Great Stone Industrial Park east of Minsk. Chinese employees have been flown in to build the project, but they don't want to be filmed. Even though they give orders at the construction site, they'd rather keep a low profile. There are said to be around 500 already present at the site. Excavator operator Andrei is amongst those who found work at Belarus's largest construction site. But he's not totally satisfied. He says his monthly earnings are less than half of what construction workers in Minsk usually earn. Compared to others, it could be more. I now get 10,000 Belarusian rubles, or about 400 euros. It really could be more. It's a prestigious project for Belarus. Chinese banks are financing the first stage with around 200 million euros of investment. Later, plans are to increase it to 5.5 billion euros. Once completed, the industrial park's expected to provide around 120,000 jobs. Project director Andrei Gal is trying to attract investors with tax breaks, a free trade zone and property rights guarantees, something that can't be taken for granted in a country like Belarus. One of the companies here is the Chinese tech giant Huawei. The idea is to re-establish the Silk Road between China and the West. The proper infrastructure is being created here. We're close to the European markets and also have Baltic Sea ports nearby in Lithuania and Latvia. Belarus's economy needs new stimulus. When calculated in dollars, GDP tumbled 27% last year. The country is in the midst of a deep economic crisis. The country's opposition criticizes the Chinese venture. It will take many years for the people of Belarus to repay the expensive Chinese loans for the industrial park's construction. The Chinese workers come here, Chinese engineers do the work, and Chinese companies cash in. And in the end, little will be left for Belarus. It's unclear if Beijing will succeed with its ambitious project here. After all, China has to deal with its slowing economy. Excavator driver Andrei has signed a contract for just 6 months, but he could quickly lose his job if things don't go according to plan.